Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see Aptitude on Profit and Loss. Aptitude 9. If a retailer marks up his price by 30%, and then allows a 30% discount, what is his percentage profit or loss? Option A. 9% gain. Option B. 8% gain. Option C. 8% loss. Option D. 9% loss. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer: 9% loss. Explanation: net loss equals x squared by 100% equals 900 by 100 equals 9%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.